Other than a few clouds off in the distance there, we are talking about a lot of blue sky right now to start off the afternoon, as mostly sunny skies will continue today. Temperatures up to 88 degrees, and we have southwest breezes at about 8 to 10 miles an hour right now over downtown Hagerstown. And temperature-wise, again, across the board, Hagerstown is one of the few locations not into the 90s yet. We're talking about 91 in Frederick and Thurmont, 90 in Germantown and Leesburg, and warmer still in Charlestown and Martinsburg. So again, if you're not into the 90s yet, you'll be getting there fairly quickly, and then you factor in the humidity that is out there. It's, again, not as oppressive as it has been the last several weeks, but it's still enough to get our heat index values up into the lower 90s and even into the lower triple digits out there. So again, it's pretty hot, it's pretty sweltering, but not enough for a heat advisory here on your Monday afternoon so far. We're not expecting to see that heat advisory anytime soon. Satellite and radar picture as we've gone throughout the day. Again, clouds are building back to the west. That is closer to where that frontal boundary is starting its approach now as we go later through the day, but plenty of sunshine elsewhere across the four-state region. And again, looking at a wider view of the satellite and radar picture, we can see that there is high pressure just pretty much overhead as we've continued along through the day today, and we're having that frontal boundary that is further back to the west that we are keeping an eye on. Again, that will be bringing us some active weather as we go later into the night tonight and into your Tuesday. But like I mentioned, high pressure is settled in overhead just to our south and west, and that's why pretty much the entire eastern half of the country is remaining very quiet so far today. So again, temperatures will be near 100 this afternoon, and then we'll see those storms along the cold front tomorrow. And after that, later this week, we're watching where that boundary, that cold front sets up then, because it could play into how our weather looks. Right now, it's looking rather dry with that front far enough to our south. But check it out here. Again, clouds increase through the rest of the afternoon and evening and overnight as well tonight. But some showers start to approach, die off though before they get here on Tuesday morning. But that front completely crosses the area tomorrow afternoon and evening. That will bring that chance for scattered showers and storms. Everyone has a fair shot at the moment of seeing some rainfall, but many of us will stay dry as this front passes us by, and then skies will be clearing out then once we get into Wednesday. But right along and ahead of that front, that's where a lot of that rainfall will be located tomorrow. So again, we can expect to see a little bit of activity and just have the rain gear handy as we go through the day tomorrow. Very sweltering today into the middle and upper 90s, still only in the 70s tonight, so not cooling off all that much, but temperatures will be back into the lower 90s, but we are going to be definitely cooler than what we are seeing out there this afternoon. And again, that's the start of the improvement we'll have later this week with that frontal boundary past us. We'll see mostly upper 80s, lower 90s, and for now, dry conditions expected late week, but we'll keep an eye on where that frontal boundary sets up.